Hello, just here for a quick video, and we had a snowstorm here in the Pennsylvania, New York, up running through the Northeast on December 17th, 2020, and today it's the 18th, and I just wanted to show a solar panel installation that's near me. And as you can see, it's looks like it's going to make a lot of power today, energy, whatever. And yeah, it's totally covered in snow, and it doesn't look like it's sliding off anytime soon. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Looks like some thorough snow coverage there. So we'll see how long it takes. Probably going to be a few days before any of that snow melts off of there. So we'll chalk those ones up as zeros. Alright, thanks for watching.